tip for spin kicks. Spin kicks are probably the first step to getting to really fancy kicking, right? But there is a prerequisite in order to make sure that you can execute spin kicks properly. If you don't have the basic kick down, each of the steps, it's going to be hard to execute it when you're spinning. Making sure that you have all 4 parts of the basic kick allows you to execute a lot more smoothly when you add in that extra movement. There's also several types of ways to spin. It doesn't always mean spinning like this, like this, spinning like this. There's a lot of different definitions for spinning or a spin kick depending on how you have to execute it.
Next up is going to be your foot positioning. Make sure you're not spinning like this. Footwork and foot positioning is just as important as you throwing the kick, because if you don't have a good base, you're not going to be able to do it.
Next level up is those hips. Being aware of the position of your hips allows you to throw out that kick a lot more efficiently and direct. This is only something I've been focusing on in the last year or so, but it's definitely made a big difference in how I'm able to execute some more difficult advanced spin kicks. You want your hips square, sideways. Pay attention to the hip positioning of your base kick and see how comfortable it is for you to throw on that. Then try to apply that same positioning while you are spinning. If you add footwork and hips, you're going to be doing a lot better with your spin kicks. And I know this last tip might be really simple, but really, please don't forget to spin
And look.
By applying this simple principle, you're going to pretty much eliminate a lot of the errors that you're probably facing when you're starting to perfect your spin kicks. If you do that, I promise you, you're going to be doing a lot better with that. So now all that's left is to practice. So remember, keep on kicking.